Hello everyone, today we know about the 20 body parts named just like eye, nose and ear. First, head. The head contains the brain which controls the whole body. It also holds the eyes, ears, nose and mouth. Helps us think, see, hear and speak. Next, eye. Eyes help us to see the world around us. They detect light, color and movement. Eyes are very sensitive and need care. They play a key role in daily activities. Next, ear. Ears help us hear sounds and maintain balance. They collect sound waves and send signals to the brain. Ears also help in body conditioning. They are essential for communication. Next, nose. The nose helps us breathe and smell. It filters dust from the air we inhale. It also supports our sense of taste. The nose protects our lungs from germs. Next, mouth. The mouth is used for eating and speaking. It helps us chewing and swallowing food. It also plays a role in breathing. The mouth expressions emotions. Next, teeth. Teeth help us bite and chew food. They make digestion easier. Healthy teeth give a nice smile. They also help in clear speech. Next, tongue. The tongue helps us taste food. It also helps in speaking clearly. It moves food inside the mouth. The tongues keep the mouth clean. Next, neck. The neck connects to the head to the body. It allows head movement in different directions. It supports important nervous and blood vessels. The neck provides flexibility. Next, shoulder. Shoulders help move our arms freely. They support lifting and carrying. They connect arms to the torso. Strong shoulders improve postures. Next, arm. Arms help us lift, hold, and throw objects. They are used in daily activities. Arms give strength and reach. They help us express actions. Next, hand. Hands help us write, eat, and work. They allow gripping and touching. Hands are very flexible. They are vital for creativity. Next, fingers. Fingers helps is holding small objects. They improve accuracy and control. They sense touch and temperature. Fingers assist in writing and typing. Next, chest. The chest protects the heart and lungs. It helps in breathing. It supports upper body strength. The chest plays a major role in circulation. Next, stomach. The stomach digests food. It breaks food into nutrients. It sends energy to the body. The stomach supports growth back. Next, back. The back supports the body posture. It protects the spinal cord. It helps us stand and move. A strong back prevents pain. Next, leg. Legs help us walk, run, and jump. They carry body weight. They give balance and strength. Legs support mobility. Next, knee. The knee allows bending of legs. It helps in walking and sitting. It connects upper and lower legs. The knee provides flexibility. Next, foot. Feet supports the whole body. They help in standing and walking. They provide balance. Feet absorb shock while moving. Next, toes. Toes helps keep balance while walking. They support body posture. They help push forward during steps. Toes add stability. Next, skin. Skin covers and protects the body. It prevents germs from entering. It sends heat and touch. Skins keep the body safe.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share.